Is algebra a torture for you? Is algebra a punishment for you? Is that the way you feel? I'm going to tell you something interesting. You have been using algebra even before you started to learn algebra in school. You heard me right. You know algebra if you're able to think. Just think. You have been using algebra even without you knowing it. Do you want me to show it to you? Prove it to you? Let's get into the video then. Hi, my name is Kala. I'm a thinking catalyst and I conduct programs called Math Excellence Program, which enables children to become independent math learners without taking continuous support from anybody else in their life. So, getting to understand what is algebra. Let's say you have a crayon box. Usually normal crayon boxes have 12 crayons in them, right? All of us know that. Now, let's say your sibling, somebody took away few, and by looking at it, looking at the crayon box and looking at the missing space, you would have understood how many crayons are gone, right? Whether it is 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 or 7, right? What is that? How did you know that how much is missing? Let's be specific. Let's say a crayon box has 12 crayons and you find 3 crayon spaces missing. You know that 9 are remaining and 3 is missing. How did you find it was 3 missing? You could have counted the 9, of course. You would have counted the 9 crayons. And instinctively, you have taken the 12 and subtracted the 9 and got the 3. Or, you could have started from the 9, counted up 10, 11, 12. Oh, I had to count 3 times. That means 3 is missing. I think this is how you would have found out how much is missing. Let me tell the algebra equation for this. 9 plus x is equal to 12. That is the same thing that you have been doing even before you started to learn algebra. Forget about algebra. Even before you started to learn addition as such in your school, you knew this, didn't you? And that exactly is algebra. Algebra is nothing but finding out the unknown, or you can also say algebra as generalizing the idea. What is the meaning of generalizing an idea? Your elder sister is 2 years older than you. Okay? Now you are in 1st standard. Elder sister is in 3rd standard. When you come to 2nd standard, your elder sister is going to be in 4th standard. When you come to 3rd standard, the elder sister goes to 5th standard. So this is happening, right? Even before you learned algebra, you knew this. Algebra is just generalizing this idea. What is the idea here? We don't know how many years have passed, but for every year that has passed, you have your age is, if it is x, then addition of 2 years will give your sister's age. And the algebraic expression for this is x plus 2. Your age is x, then you add 2 more to get your sister's age. So, algebra is nothing but generalizing some idea. Means, always your sister is going to be 2 years older than you. That means the addition, extra 2. Addition means extra. So, here it becomes extra. We are going to generalize that and say, always my sister is going to be 2 years older than me. And that's why it's x plus 2. Just like in the case of samosas, every guest is going to eat 2 more samosas. That means what? Repeatedly you are going to add 2. That is why you are going to multiply 2. As we all know, multiplication is repeated addition. So, if you know arithmetic properly and you know how to generalize a certain thing, that means you know algebra. So whenever you think that you don't know algebra, start seeing it from this angle, then you will know that you know algebra already. Just you're learning new terms for that, right? Just learning new terms. And this is my philosophy that everybody knows mathematics. Mathematics is inherent, it is there inside us. We're just giving names to those concepts. Even if we don't know the concepts, we are using algebra, we know algebra, right? I hope this helped change a perspective in you. It helped you change the way you look at algebra, and if a certain perception changes, your whole interest in the subject is going to improve. And if interest improves, you're going to improve your memory about the subject as well. And if you improve your memory, of course, you're going to excel in mathematics. This is the exact technique that I use in my mathematics excellence programs. If you like this video, do leave me a comment and let me know that you liked it. And if you've used this and it has helped you, and I would love to know that it helped you as well. Okay, and you like this trick, please do share with others as well. Thank you very much. See you. Bye-bye.